Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video basically, to be very honest, even I don't know what to name the frame or the craft that I have done, because I just had an idea what I wanted to do. So I had these flowers, the handmade flowers, as you can see in the video. I made it from the crepe paper and the sock cloth, foam sheet, and so basically I made these flowers and I wanted them to showcase, but not just keeping it in a vase. I wanted it on this frame because I had this old frame and I wanted to do something out of it so that I can showcase these flowers. But just pasting it on the frame doesn't make look unique. It's just like pasting the flowers. It's nothing great. So I had this idea that I'll put it in a box type thing on the frame and then place the flowers in it. So you will see in the video what things I have tried. So for this I as usual took an old frame, then I took twine, stationery items or normal stationery items. I took popsicle sticks this time, then a black tape or any tape is fine, and I already had these handmade flowers with me, but you can also use like any ready-made artificial flowers. Then I used a transparent plastic sheet which we used to cover the notebooks in school. And that's it. In today's frame I have used these things, and in the video kindly do watch the video till end to know all the techniques or the way that I have used to make this complete frame. And definitely do let me know in the comments whether you have liked this idea or not. As you can see here, I'm removing the clips now, and yes, these twines have sticked together now, and they are very strong also. And I have made these. I have sticked popsicles, or you can even take ice cream sticks and paste them with each other. I have cut them into half or any size actually, and then I have pasted them like 10, 10, 5 like these. As you can see here, I have already pasted these first on the frame, and then these 5, and then here on the bottom, and then again even on this side. And now I'll be pasting these like this here, and I'll just cover this with these. And now I'm pasting the popsicles on these, as you can see, just like these and this. made the stand with the support of clips. And now this here, another one. So I have used Fevicol bottle and clips. So once they are dried, they will stand like this one and this side one. And it will take 1 to 2 hours. And once it's done, it's done. As you can see here, I have pasted these on this. And now I'll be mixing Fevicol with water, and I'll apply this on the sticks. As you can see, they are still moving a little. Now after applying this mixture of Fevicol and water, even these will not move, like they'll stay firm.
And now I'll paste these as border to the frame, just like that. Like, it's looking very empty, so I just wanted to, fill the frame. I'll do the same thing on this side and also at the top.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.